Welcome to this new video. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to get the week of the month. If you are using the DAX function, times intelligence function or anything like that, you won't get a proper function for week of the month. Instead of that, you will be getting the function of getting the week number of the year. So in this video, we will be seeing how to extract week of the month from that week of the year. So this is the sample. This is the year 2015 if you see, and in 2015 you're having January, you're having 5 weeks, and if you're using the week num function, all these 5 weeks will be shown as 5. That will be correct, but the February first week it will be shown as 6. It won't show as 1. Actually what we need is we need it as 1. So how we are going to get it is, if you are using week num, February first week will be the 6th week. You can see this. February first week is the 6th week. And then what we have, that is with respect to the year. So what we have to do is that we need to change it to with respect to the start of the month. If you use the start of the month function, that will be always a constant, because if we are using start of the month for January, every day it will be 0, first day of January. So that means with respect to the year and the start of the month, the week number will not change. See here, the week number is changing is because the date is changing. If the date is 22nd January, 22nd January comes in the 4th week. That is why it is coming as 4th. But if it is on the 1st of January, every time it will be 1 only. The same way, if it is 1st of February, every time it will be 6 only, because the week number for February 1 is 6. Similarly, March 1 will be 10. So it won't change. But at the same time, if you are doing it with respect to the calendar, that will be changing, that will be increasing until 49. That will be the end of December. So you need to get this value, week number of the year, and you need to get the week number of the start of the month. You need to subtract week number of the year to week number of the start of the month. You won't get the correct answer. You will be getting an answer, a number which will be 1 minus the start of the month of the week number of the month. So once you get that result, you can add 1 to it, and then you will be getting the exact number. You can see how it is working. First, you can get the week number, this week number minus the start of the month of week number of this date. So you will be getting an answer for this, and that answer you need to add it with 1. You will be getting the correct result. So we will see how it is. We can go to the data, and in this data we are having a calendar, calendar auto, and here we will be doing the add column, and in that add column, first we will get the week number of year. Week number of year equals to just week num and the date, calendar and date. Here you can see first week, second week, third week, fourth week, fifth week. The fifth week, January is getting over, and the February it's starting with the 6th week. You can change this format and you can see it properly. Here you can see February 1st onwards it is the 6th, but we need it as first. So what we are going to do is that we will add one more column and we will see start of month equals to same start of month, calendar, date. This we can do it in one step itself, but to understand, I am doing it in 2-3 steps so that we will be able to understand it properly. So if you see this, 31st January is 5th week and 1st February is 6th week. Here also it should be 6th week. Now, if you come to this row, 8th February, that is the 7th week. But with respect to the start of month, it is still 1st February. So if you are getting the week number with respect to this start of month, it will be still 6. It won't go to 7. So we will do like that. We will create another column and we will check that with start of month. Week number with start of month equals to week number of start of month, calendar, date. So now when you do like this, you can see for the 4th of January, it is the second week. But if you see this column with respect to the same row, you can see the value is not changing. It is 1. That is because we are getting the week number with respect to the start of the month. So that's why it won't move. It will be always 1. It will be always on to the first week number of that month. First day of the week number of that. Same way, February 1st is the 6th week, so that will be written as 6, but throughout February it will be 6. That is because we are given it as start of the month. Same way March. Why we are doing like this is because now the next step what we are going to do is we are going to subtract this by this week number of the year minus this week number of start of course we will get 0, but the next value onwards we will be getting 1, 2, 3, 4. We will see. You can create a column and you can write it as week number equals to week number calendar date minus week number start of month calendar date. Sorry, I have given it as equals. That is why here it is showing us Boolean values. I need to give it as subtraction. So you can see this minus this is definitely 0. And the next week it is showing us 1. And actually the third week it is showing us 2. Fourth week it is showing us 3. And the fifth week it is showing us 4. Similarly, the February 1st week it is showing us 0. February 2nd week it is showing us 1. And same in all the cases. So what we have to do, just add 1 to this, everything will be fine. We will write a column for that. Week number month equals to week number of calendar date minus week number start of month calendar date, and after that we need to add by 1. So now you can see January 1st week is the first month number, and here if you see the 5th week, you can see it has 5th week itself. But when it comes to the next week, that is February 1st week, actually week of month is 6, but we have extracted the first week of the February month as 1, and February now we will be getting 7 ones. Then the next number it is 2. Actually, it is 7 with respect to the year, but with respect to the month, it is 2. So actually, this value is correct. And this is the actual formula which we need to use. Since for understanding, we have just created 4 columns so that we will be able to understand what is the logic behind this formula. Hope this will help you. Thank you. Have a nice day.